Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? I plus V, Ivy. Lee plus G, League. Ivy League. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Marjorie Goodson-Cutt.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I know what you're thinking. God, Alex looks good. No, it's true. But yesterday, he was very mean to me on the show. And basically, I put him in his place, and, well, I'm here, and where's Alex? Anyway, let's get on with the show and introduce our champ. No, you're our champion. Oh, I'm doing very well.
I'll be the champion.
No, you can't be the champion yet. Let's meet Jerry Richter. Richter?
Hi, yes, Jerry Richter. Hi,
Tell us a
Marjorie.
little bit about yourself.
Originally from St. Louis, Missouri. I've lived around the country a bit.
That's
Michigan.
nice, Jerry. Anyway, Bridget. And Bridget, you're our turning champion.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, thank you. I'm an engineer going to law school at night, and I'm very happy at it.
This is going very well, don't you think? Don't you think? Oh. Yes,
Marjorie.
Alex. Yes, Alex.
I just want to say that I'm really sorry about
How
the way
sorry
I
are you?
behaved. I'm very sorry.
Are you?
Yes, I am. And
Could
I
you
realize
speak
that
out when you say that?
there are things that are very difficult to
There
do
are
on this
very-
card.
that's true.
And that's why you were making mistakes. And I promise
Do you-
that if you let me have my job back, I'll never pick on you again.
Are you threatened by the fact that I'm doing such a good
Yes,
job?
I am threatened.
You're a little scared by that.
Yes, I am. You're a
It's
lot
all right.
younger than
All
I
right.
am, too.
Well, I understand that, and I'm willing to forgive and forget.
Oh, thank
So,
you.
all right, okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, okay.
I lied. Now that I'm back in power, I can do anything I want to her. Let's take a look at one of the prizes in this first game. Marjorie, do you know what you're doing? Obviously you don't. What are you doing over there, Marjorie? You're not ready, are you? No, you have people hanging about you? Oh, and she didn't get your name right, Jerry Rector?
I'm incensed.
That's it, we need music, obviously, and she didn't even try to get Bridget's name correct. Oh, well. Marjorie, are you ready now? Just hold it up. That's it. Hold it up in front of your body, and Gene will talk about it.
Part of the Nancy Diamond Jewelry Design Collection, this elegant necklace crafted in 14-karat gold sparkles with 24 diamonds, furnished by the Nancy Diamond Company. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. I could have done that. Diamond necklaces look great on me. Jerry and Bridget, take a look on the board. We'll show you where you find the diamond and gold necklace at number 17. Also, in this game, a holiday in Puerto Rico. And Jerry, don't give me woo-woos. You gotta find it and match it and win the game. Now, select two numbers, Jerry.
Okay, I really want to go to Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Number 14, please.
Color TV.
That's a good prize, too. Match that at number 7, please.
Wild card. Hey, good match. Good match.
All right.
Other color TV on the board at number 1. 3 doors opening up. Prize going up here. Select again, please, Jerry.
I'm still looking for that Puerto Rico trip, Alex. Number 12, please.
Red take.
And a match for that under number 19.
Microwave oven. No match. Bridget.
All right, I'm going to find Puerto Rico. Let's look under number 2.
Chef's barbecue tools.
I keep getting these tools, huh? Okay, let's find the match for that under number 21.
Doll collection. No match. Jerry.
Wild card under number 9.
No. Green take is under number 9.
How about a match for that under number 16?
No. Red take. No match.
Okay, I think I know where the red take is. Let's look under number 12.
Right?
And number 16.
12 and 16. That makes a match. Here is the red take. You don't want that color TV.
No.
Or do you?
I'll hold on to it. I'll hold on to it.
Oh,
She doesn't want it.
no TV.
Wait a minute. I made a mistake. I said she doesn't want the color TV. I may have been wrong. She may want it, but she doesn't want it now.
That's right.
Now she wants these 2 panels to swing open. Go again.
Okay, let's look under number 4.
Table lamps.
Table lamps would be nice. And the match for that under number 20.
Chef's barbecue tools. No match for you, but a chance for Jerry.
I've seen that barbecue set before. Number 3, please.
That's not where you saw it. That's a wild
Trade
card.
the barbecue set, or what would have been, for the Puerto Rico trip under number 23.
Another wild card.
Oh, yes! Yes.
You know what that means, Jerry. $500 in cash.
Yes, I
and
do.
the chance to select again.
Puerto Rico, baby. Come on. White Sands Beaches, number 24.
Table lamps. The other table lamps are on the top of that column. And so 4 panels will swing open, top and bottom, for Jerry Rector. Pick again.
Number 20, please, Alex.
Chef's barbecue
Chef's
tools.
Barbecue tools. Was that under number 8?
Nope. Golf clubs under number 8. Bridget's going to get those tools
want
after
those
all.
tools.
Yes,
Number
you do.
2.
Number 2 for the tools. Yes.
And number 20.
Did you win the power tools on yesterday's program?
I don't remember.
You had a shot at him.
I sure did.
Now, you want to use the tape? He's got $500 in cash. You got
I'll
a
take
color
the
TV.
money. I'll take the money.
Yeah?
Yes.
All right. What's your husband's first name?
Victor.
Victor. All right. Silenzio, per piacere. Open the doors, please, for Bridget. Gosh, since I managed to squeeze Marjorie out, I'm feeling really powerful here. I don't know. Bridget, select again.
Okay, let's look under number 22.
Golf clubs.
And those were on number 8.
Yes. Golf clubs for you and for Victor. When you graduate from law school together. Open these 2 panels, please. Pick again.
Gosh. Okay, let's look under number 10.
Gas barbecue.
Barbecue.
Go with the tools.
Sure would. Okay, let's find the match for that under number 11.
Green take. Jerry.
Where was that other green take? Number 6, please.
Microwave oven.
Was that under number 17?
Nope. Diamond and gold necklace there. Bridget.
Okay, I'm so confused. Let's look under number 5.
Exotic.
Oh, okay.
Puerto Rico.
Okay. What haven't we seen? Let's look under number 21.
Doll
we've seen
collection.
that.
Yeah, we saw that. Jerry.
15, please.
No, doll collection.
Number 5.
Oh, no, that's Puerto Rico. Bridget.
I'll take the dolls. 21 and 15.
That's a match. She's taking them. She says it reluctantly. What it does, even though it may not be a prize that she dearly wants, it keeps her alive in terms of maneuverability on the board, and she gets a chance to solve the puzzle as we open these 2 panels.
Gosh, I don't know.
Well, now you can go anywhere you want on the board
That's
to
true.
try and pick up the other half of the Puerto Rico holiday.
That's true. Let's look under number 25.
Exotic
And
Puerto
5.
Rico. Oh, didn't take you long to do that one. There's a quick match. Open these panels for her.
18
Diamond and gold necklace.
and number 17.
Diamond and gold necklace, right. All right, Bridget, take a look now.
I have no idea.
Well, there aren't that many matches left up there, just 3 of them.
You're right. Let's look under number 19
Microwave
and
oven.
number 6.
Microwave oven, yes. Now there are but 2 matches. You may not need them. Open it up. Isn't it amazing with just 4 panels remaining in place, they seem to be hiding the most important elements of this puzzle, the ones that are really necessary to solve it. Your choice now, Bridget. Where do you want to start?
Oh, can you believe it? Let's look under number 10. And the match for that under number 9.
Jerry,
Number 13, please.
gas
And
barbecue.
the match under number 10, please, Alex.
Right. That prize will go into your column. We'll open these 2 doors, and then we'll show you 9 and 11. That's the green take, and you have your choice of all of these wonderful things here. Diamond necklace, microwave.
Puerto Rican vacation.
All right. A holiday in Puerto Rico. Open the 2 panels, and let's see if Jerry can solve the puzzle. A Obviously, he can't. Bridget,
Gosh, I have no idea. Is it 2 L's off the trade?
is it 2 L's off the trade? No, it is not. So get your hands on those signaling buttons, and I'm going to help you. Remember, it's very important on classic concentration not to be dazzled by the symbols themselves. You want to solve what the symbols are portraying. So we have 2 plus L's, 2 L's, or tools. Bridget's in first.
Tools of the trade.
Is it tools of the trade? Yes, it is. And a big win for Bridget again. Come on.
Okay, we have a 2 plus L's plus off for tools of the plus trade plus D. Trade. Tools of the trade.
We had talked about the barbecue tools, the power tools, and all of a sudden here come the tools of the trade. And Jerry, a strike against you, and that means that the second game today is going to be very exciting because you and Bridget are at risk. We will see you in that one. And now, Bridget, let's hear about your prizes. You didn't get the trip to Puerto Rico, but you got a lot of other good stuff. Gene.
Chef's barbecue tools, a microwave oven, and a doll collection. Bradley's limited edition collection of lovely Victorian lady style with porcelain hands, head, and feet. Adds her decorative touch to any room, furnished by Bradley Collectible Dolls. And golf clubs. Pin Seeker set of custom-made golf clubs, including stainless steel woods with matching radius sole irons and a deluxe staff bag furnished by Pin Seeker. And $500 in cash. And, of course, the beautiful diamond gold necklace. And this is a prize package worth $3,897.
Every time Bridget plays a game, she wins about $4,000 in prizes. And she could win a brand new car when we come back for the victor. Who gets the car if you win the car? You or Victor?
I do.
Yeah. All righty, here are the 15 numbered squares, Bridget. 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go for it.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
10, 4,
No.
2, 10,
Right.
11, 1,
No.
7, 13,
No.
8, 13,
Right.
14, 4,
No.
1, 4,
No.
1, 14,
Correct.
15, 4,
Yes.
12, 9,
No.
5, 9,
Right.
6, 11,
Yes.
3, 12.
3 and 12 makes it with a second to spare, and Bridget has won her car. Go, Gene.
Bridget, you just won this Honda Civic 4-door DX. Features a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder 1,500cc fuel-injected engine and 5-speed manual transmission. Furnished by Honda, a prize worth over $10,000.
And Marjorie is so excited for you. She was almost in tears. Hey, guess what, Bridget? You're going to leave us with $23,298 in prizes. Congratulations. You're a super player. Good luck to you. We'll take a break. We'll come back after this. Lady to welcome to our program. I hope I get her name right. Dina Pacitti?
Chidi.
Pacitti. Hiya, Dina.
Hi, Al.
Welcome aboard, and good luck to you against Jerry Rector. Here is a lovely prize you're competing for.
The contemporary Young Chang Kondo console piano with its beautiful patented ebony finish is handcrafted from fine materials and built to last. Furnished by Young Chang. Alex.
And it is to be found on our game board behind this number 8. $500 in the cash pot in this game. 5 bonus car seconds and a Caribbean beach vacation. And Dina Pacitti, you get to go first.
Okay, let's see what's under number 12.
Cash pot.
That's 5. And number 19.
Bed with nightstands. A bed with nightstands. Not a bedroom set, a bed with nightstands. What a cheap gift. Jerry, select.
I'd rather have the cash pot.
Uh-huh.
Number 14, please.
Wild card.
Yes. Number 12 is the cash pot.
12 is the cash pot.
Yes,
That's good.
yes.
The other cash pot on the board at number 18. 3 doors opening up for Jerry. Let him have a look at this puzzle. Pick again.
I don't know it. Number 3, please.
Piano.
Number 8, please.
Piano. Another 2 panels opening up for Jerry Rector. Take a look. Select.
Number 1, please, Alex.
5 bonus seconds.
I'm looking for the match. Number 25, please.
No. Caribbean Beach Resort. Dina.
I want that piano so bad. Give me a take. I'd like to do under number 10.
Home business package.
And number 16.
Bed with nightstands. Jerry.
Number 17, please.
Red take.
Number 23.
Pasta maker. Dina.
What's under number 13?
Red take.
And number 17?
Red take. Do you want to use it now?
Yes, give me
For the piano. Take the piano. She wants it. Give it to her. Open these 2 panels for Dina. Select again.
Number 24, please.
Caribbean Beach
And
Resort.
number 25.
Yes.
Woo!
A match for the lady. Open these doors. Keep going.
Number 5.
Diamond and amethyst
wow. Okay, what's under number 1?
5 bonus seconds. Jerry, we're back to you.
Number 21, please.
Home business package.
And number 16.
No, that's the bed with nightstands.
What's under number 10? And number 21.
That's the business package match that you were looking for. All right, Dina, 2 more doors opening. Go again.
Okay, what's under number 11?
Wild card. Nothing bad is going to happen on this roll.
All right, I'd like to open up number 7, please.
7 is another wild card, so you're going to get a look at 4 pieces of this puzzle. The 2 wild cards in a row mean $500, and now select.
Number 2, please.
2, flatware. The other flatware on the puzzle is at number 22. 4 pieces on the left side of the puzzle. Is it enough? Go again.
Oh my gosh, I know it now. Can I get number 19?
Sure.
And
Bed
number
with
16.
nightstands. There's that famous bed with 16, she said. Bed with nightstands. And now Jerry suddenly realizes that he too can solve the puzzle, but can Dina solve it? She said she thought she could. What is it?
Bridging the gap.
Bridging the gap. Yes, it is. And Dina is a big winner in just a couple of minutes' time. Come on, Dina, let's go to the board. You broke Jerry's heart on that one.
Okay, this is a bridge right here, plus the ink, which is bridging, and then the plus the gap in the mouth, which is bridging the gap.
Bridging the gap. Good solution. Jerry, you knew it, but it's too late, unfortunately. 2 strikes against you, so we have to say goodbye. Sorry about that. So long, Jerry.
See you later.
Take care. All right, Dina, a lot of prizes coming your way. Gene, go for it, please.
Flatware. The Michael C. Fina Company presents this fine quality stainless steel flatware. 68-piece service for 12 with chest furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company. And a home business package. Panasonic's electronic digital clock radio cassette recorder, voice-activated micro cassette recorder, and dictating machine, all furnished by Panasonic. And a bed with nightstands. Amisco's romantic Gothic bed features a tubular steel headboard interlaced with gentle curves and complemented by 2 half-moon nightstands furnished by Amisco. And a Caribbean Beach Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to San Juan. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality. Furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Sand Castle Beach Resort on magnificent Sosua Bay in the Dominican Republic with superb pool and beach. This Moorish-style resort offers amenities for your vacation pleasure. Furnished by Sand Castle Beach Resort. And $500 in cash. And, of course, a beautiful piano. And you have prizes worth $8,198.
How about that for a big win, Dina?
Yeah.
She'd like to win a new car when we come back. Hit this show like gangbusters, winning over $8,000, and now has a chance to win a car. 15 numbered squares and 35 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
No.
7, 8,
No.
4, 7,
No.
5, 7,
Right?
10, 11,
No.
4, 11,
No.
2, 11,
No.
13, 14,
No.
11, 13,
No.
2, 13,
Correct?
15, 12,
No.
1, 9,
No.
1, 12,
Yep.
3, 6,
No.
10-3,
Yep.
9-15.
Nope.
Not.
Boy, you started out so quickly. But you've got $81.98 in prizes, and we're going to take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Klondike frozen desserts. Taste you can sink your teeth into: creamy ice cream bars, chocolate wafer ice cream sandwiches, and calorie-conscious light bars, plus a Klondike bear furnished by Klondike. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.